Here's this battery, LK-PS10. Here's its own charger. I plug it in. It powers on, but the input is at 1 watt. So the battery is charged up to 87%, but the input is very low. So how to fix that? Because it should charge with around 100 watts, 90 something. Well, get a consumer, let's say a hair dryer. Power on the AC output. Now the output will be larger than the input, so it doesn't want to charge, but plug in that hair dryer. It's just a consumer. Power it on a little bit, and now we have a decent input, 97, 96 watts. So by consuming something, it's fixing it, it's repairing it. Let's repeat it. Let's see, is it doable again? Plug in the charger. Now it's charging. Now it's not charging, 0. Now it's back to 1 watt and it does not want to go higher. Power on the AC output. That consumes around 11-12 watts, something like that. And consume a little bit, and that will start the charging. 28, 96 watts input. We can turn off the AC, and now it is charging it at 96 watts. So by consuming something, you can charge it. And now it's ready, 100%.